This is the 2024 Honda Odyssey, and in today's Vehicle Visionary video, I'm going to show you how to use the Stowing Magic seats, this third row of seats in the Odyssey that you can actually store down here in this area. And honestly, this is a multitasker of sorts because when you don't have the seats stowed, you can use this area for cargo capacity purposes. But it's a very simple thing to do. A little bit more challenging to do one-handed because I'm holding the camera with one hand, but I'll show you with one hand. It's a lot easier to do with two hands. In fact, you even have instructions right here on the back of the seats that make this a super simple process. But let me show you what's going on here. The first thing you're going to do is grab this strap. You're going to pull on that, and as you pull, you can actually pull the seat hard enough to where the seat just goes down like that. Now, that's a little bit harder to do on this side one-handed, but I almost got it one-handed. But that's how you do it ultimately. And the good news is that this is a standard feature. It works on all trim levels of this generation of the Odyssey, so it doesn't matter if you go with the base trim level or the top trim level, you're going to have this feature. And you can remove all three seats there as well. Here, all we have to do to put everything back in place is just flip them back over like that. Then you're going to pull on the release, and when the seats go back in place as they should, you can let go of that and you'll feel it go back in place. But again, a lot easier to do one-handed than it is to do, or excuse me, two-handed as opposed to one-handed, unless you're just extremely talented, and I guess I'm not. But there's that tutorial for you. Hope that helps out. If there is a particular tutorial you want to see on a Honda or any other vehicle, please let me know. I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.